Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best portable bandsaw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best bandsaw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Dewalt DWM120K. The unit is designed to carry out all kinds of job site applications in an effortless manner. The 10-amp motor is designed to deliver power in a controlled way. The unit has a 5 inches deep cut capacity. The unit will withstand job site abuse without any issues. Even though you are performing operations in a dark location, you will be able to see the cut line with the help of the LED sight light. The front handle and castings will not be damaged as you can hang the unit without any issues. The speed of the motor can be changed as per the type of material and applications. Our second best portable bandsaw is Bosch Gcb105. The ergonomically designed Bosch Gcb105 provides a ripping depth of 4 3/4 and features a bright LED light to lighten up the cut line for precise cuts. Also, it comes with a saw hook to hang for easy storage. This Bosch's variable speed settings, which starting from 100 feet/minute and up to 380 feet/minute, allow you to sync the cut rate to the material for enhanced precision. Bosch Gcb105 Deep Cut Corded Portable Bandsaw is an easy-to-use product that delivers almost spark-free, smooth cuts through conduits, rebar, and other materials such as pipes, steel tracks, and threaded rods. Let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Makita XBP02Z Portable Bandsaw. The manufacturers of the Makita XBP02Z stands among the best in the market. It is merely a combination of quality, safe, effective, and affordable tool all in one. Makita Portable Bandsaw comes in a compact, ergonomic design. This ensures that it is perfect for any work with minimal effort resulting in less exhaustion. It is also a versatile tool in that it can cut both metal and wood. However, it works best on metal material. The tool is powered by an 18-volt battery that is of Lithium-Ion series. The rubber bumper ensures maximum protection of the material and the saw from any possible damages. The blades come with a deep cutting capacity of about 4 inches. Also, they are easy to fix. This portable bandsaw comes with a LED light which comes in handy while cutting, as it aligns with the cutting line, and also offers light in case you work in dark areas. Number 4 in our side is Dewalt DCS371B. The user will have great flexibility as well as comfort in handling this unit. This lithium-ion portable bandsaw with bare tool effortlessly delivers excellent performance. There will be a superior performance with the central handle. The LED light with a 20-second delay delivers an excellent performance so that you will be able to work in areas where light exposure is shallow. The blade tracking mechanism enhances the blade's life. The blade tension is loosened with the toolless blade changing lever. There will be less user fatigue, and more accurate cuts can be managed. The integrated hang hook can be used so that the unit can be hanged without damaging the front base. The durability is very much improved with the dual bearing blade guide rollers. Last in our best portable bandsaw list is Bosch Bear Tool BSH180B. This tool is arguably the lightest among all other portable tools. Being the most compact tool among competitors, surprisingly, it is about 60% lighter. The portable bandsaw blades have a cutting capacity of about 3 inches. For perfect and precise cutting, the tool comes with LED lighting that is aligned to the cutting line. With the portability uniqueness, the tool stands among the best to work with on tight spaces and also tricky angles. The base of the tool is made of aluminum to reduce the chances of the tool rusting. Moreover, the tool comes with an electric cell protection feature. This ensures that the battery is protected from risks such as overloading, deep discharge, or even overheating. Let's watch more.
The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact bandsaw. Most compact in class. Heavy-duty aluminum base. 2.5-inch cutting capacity. Quick and easy blade change. Bosch lithium-ion batteries. Up to 50% longer runtime. Superior cold weather performance and an easy-to-read gauge. Slim pack for lightweight or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact bandsaw. From Bosch, power tools for professionals.